Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of reviews on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of reviews on YouTube, you should just go to settings. In the first page, you can find this page of apps and you will enter to here settings. You can click on apps, then you can search about the application of YouTube. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.